Welcome back, guys. We've got friends with us today. Say hello, everybody.
Hello.
What up, friends?
We've got friends.
We're not alone anymore.
We've got friends.
We made it to Sedona. We're about to do this 6-mile hike to the Subway Cave in Boynton Canyon. Hope you'll join us. We've got John right here. He's ready to go.
Juice man.
We got Vic in the back, lugging a whole studio on his back. You guys know Sarah. And then last but not least, here's Emma. Here you go.
Close up.
Lovely.
Hey, look at this. Pretty meta.
Turned off the main trail and we're crossing over this dry riverbed. Not much further to go. Say hello, everybody.
It's a big hole.
Just a big old pit.
That's just John's line.
After a day of shredding the reds with the boys yesterday, we
That
took an
just still
adventure.
sounds like medical and bad.
Yeah, that sounds like
Shredding the
someone
reds.
had a bowel.
Shredding the red sounds like period week.
Shredding the reds with the boys. Surfing the reds.
the boys?
Is that better?
I guess we're the boys.
You're the boys. We took an adventure out to the Grand Canyon. A big hole.
Big ol' hole.
You think it's grand, bro?
We think it's a green screen.
I think it's grand. It looks fake. It's weird.
That's like a Roadrunner cartoon out there where like the Roadrunner would be getting chased by the coyote and then he hits a sign,
Do you
like
wanna
he
go
painted a
test it?
cave.
wanna
Yeah,
go-
you should do that.
Okay, sounds good.
This morning we decided we were going to wake up early to get into the trails on time. One thing we learned is that Sedona's early is different than our early. We had to make parking work at a different trailhead, but we're still gonna do Cathedral Rock.
Just walking a little bit further.
Say hey, John.
Hey, John.
What's the verdict?
Like, get down.
We doing it?
I'm down.
We're sending it?
Okay, here.
The trail is supposedly closed to the top.
You can't close a rock. What are you gonna do?
Right, it's a fair point. So we're just doing it. I was on a fast track to break these puppies in.
You know, it can't be
Gotta
as bad
bleed.
as when I walked. After the first trip.
That's why they're called bloodstones.
I just made them here too. He's not gonna like it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Got a ways to go. How you feeling?
Good.
How you feeling? Yeah,
Trey ball.
we made it. Kind of. We're like most of the way there. Mostly where we can get to. Still get up there, but it's taped off. Some of it is. Maybe we'll have a picnic. Who knows?
I have food.
Came prepped. Heading back down. You're not on camera, Emma. I saw that. You can wave now. Heading back down. Time to slide. quick update.
You were about to walk into the
I
road.
was about to walk into the road, sorry guys. Finished the hike. We're up here to see this fancy church on the hill, and we had a little issue with the car. Went off a little bit of a ledge.
Don't rent short cars, they're not worth it.
No, but we recovered. I also had to retire the Bluntstones for the time being, and John was kind enough to let me borrow his Vans, but I'm wearing them like slides. Yeah, I'm not good with sandals, so this isn't gonna probably go well, but at least my feet don't hurt anymore. So, good. Well, today is a bit of a wash. Spent the first part of the day finishing some videos and music and stuff, working with John and Vic. Ran up to Flagstaff to hit the upload button on them. Came back waiting for Sarah and Emma to get back from riding horses in Sedona, which sounds like it was a good time. We were gonna do a hike this afternoon, but it's snowing. Go figure, right? So maybe later we might go back up to Flagstaff to get some brews and some dinner, since hiking's kind of out of the question. Welcome back, everybody. Hello.
Oh.
After the snowfall yesterday, the blisters from the hike the day before for me, Vic's unfortunate run-in with a chicken, we're back at it. We're doing Soldier's Pass today, maybe Devil's Bridge if we're feeling good. I already saw a big hole. It's gonna be a good one. Devil's Kitchen, yeah. Oh. Found a secret cave. This is really cool. Like and follow for more hiking tips with Adam.
Oh God.
Got it? Almost there. We did it.
Big Arizona.
Did it. We made it.
Oh, it's a little terrifying.
We saw the opportunity and we did it. We questioned it, but we sent it.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're about to jump.
No.
Yep.
Whoa!
One of the unfortunate things about this trip is how much gas is right now, but can't control it. We just left Sedona. Had a lot of fun this past week with our friends. Shout out John, Vic, and Emma. Now we are up in Flagstaff. We're gonna hit a resupply real quick, and then we're hitting the road to Petrified National Forest, Monument Park. Never get that right, but it's fine. We'll be spending the day there. Maybe do a little walk around. It should be pretty cool. And then we're gonna try to find a camping spot. And then tomorrow we're at the Grand Canyon. So we'll be at the South Rim for a couple of days, and then we'll be at the North Rim for a couple of days. Hopefully it won't be too cold, but it looks like we've got a warm front coming through. So I guess this is where I'm gonna end the Sedona vlog. Like I said, we had a lot of fun. Stay tuned for the next one. It'll be out soon. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, all that. Peace.